Differentiate y equals 1 over square root of 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. So before we can proceed differentiating the following function, we need to rewrite it so that we do not have the radical. So we want to convert the denominator to exponential form. And we also want to make sure we don't have this expression in the denominator. So we're going to be using the negative exponent law. If we rewrite this, we're going to get 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 to the power of negative half. Okay, so now we can move on to differentiating this function. We will need to use the chain rule here because we have an inside function and the outside function. So y prime is going to be the derivative of the outside function, which is a half, negative half. Inside function stays the same at this point. And it's going to be negative half minus 1. And then we take the derivative of the inside function, or times the derivative of the inside function. Okay. So if we proceed here, I'm going to evaluate the exponent here. So I just have negative half times 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. Negative half minus 1 is negative 3 over 2. Now I take the derivative of this inside function here, and I'm going to get 6x minus 4. Okay. Now at this point, we can simplify this expression a little bit by taking this negative half and multiplying it into this binomial, like that, using distributive property. Benefit of this is that we're going to get rid of the negative half term here, and both 6 and negative 4 can be divided by 2, so we don't have to deal with fractions or decimals. So if we do that, we're going to get 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 to the power of negative 3 over 2. And then from this binomial, we have negative 3x plus 2 remaining. And the last step here is to get rid of that negative rational exponent by converting it to radical form, as well as applying the negative exponent law. Numerator, I'm just going to flip these terms around to avoid that leading negative sign. So 2 minus 3x. And then the denominator is going to be the square root of 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. And that's going to be cubed.